last time.
That's okay.
I think it's okay if we talk too.
Yeah, I mean they'll
Yeah,
do what they want.
Build down. There's so much sand on it.
Oh my gosh.
Also, I did make sure I brought a towel so you can dry it off.
That's good.
Make sure I actually remember how to set it up.
Yeah. What the what?
With the actual like full setup time.
Oh yeah. I don't know. We're at 140 right now.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. Definitely better than the first time.
Yeah, I know. First I was like, oh, I'll come over in like 30 minutes live, and then I'm like, just when I started the canoe first, and it was like, I don't know, an hour or so later.
Yeah. Just takes practice.
Yeah.
I love the entourage of jet skis.
I know. I gotta get around to the other side so I can
You're good.
see a little bit better.
Should I come closer to you?
What's that?
I think I'm gonna come closer.
Yeah, you can definitely come closer.
Show what you're doing.
Yeah.
And you'll do it on this side too, so they
Yeah, I
can
will.
see it.
First one's probably not gonna be the best one to actually like zoom in and show, but
Yeah.
yeah. Over here, do the same thing. Go. I gotta go this last one over here.
Yeah, show what you're doing.
Yeah. There we go. Alrighty.
Okay, where are you going next?
I'm just gonna come right here.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll pop out these guys. Down here, do the exact same thing.
Okay. It's also a time lapse, so I was
Yeah.
like,
Hope that doesn't look too violent on the
no.
video.
Hey, you're at 4.5 minutes. You're doing really good.
Yeah, that's great. These guys a little bit more. This is the important step that we'll have to talk about.
Yeah. Just so it feels more sturdy. And
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we'll do on the... Is it the same on the single
Yeah, pretty much.
where it goes inside? But once we figured that out, it was a lot better.
Yeah. Once you got that, it was way better.
Okay, what's next?
All right, I'm gonna put that guy in there.
Okay.
So I do like the way that they did this thing, because you just line up the MyCanoe logos,
That's nice.
and then it shows you exactly where it should go, which is pretty nifty. Loose for right now. Alrighty. And shall we put the seats together?
Yeah. You back up some and not fall down a hill.
Hey, that would be good.
That blue color looks really good on you,
Thank you.
BB.
I hope Jay hears that.
That's right. I love my husband.
That's right. I think my soon-to-be husband is beautiful. So far, so good.
6 minutes, 40 seconds.
Put in a little tiny butt pad.
Mm-hmm. Strap it on. You ready to put them in?
Yep.
Okay.
All
Is that the front or the back, or does it matter?
You can see, so just watch out, and you can see the little logo on the inside.
Yeah.
Like that one shows the solid paddle. And
Yeah.
So that'll be this guy. And you just line it up.
Very
Same
nice.
direction as the logo. And these ones are super easy. The other one, you might have to struggle a little bit.
That's okay.
Cool.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. 8 minutes, 50 seconds.
That's great.
I'm gonna stop it.